Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this Oppo. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and access location section. In it, just click on this switcher next to location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!